may kapihan sa tunga sang talamnan, may cafe man nga modern ang design. May nagapangita gidya sang lain kag bag-o na naman nga style. Ang tipo nga ma-feel mo nga daw ara ka lang sa isa ka scene sa TV series. Wala sang problema ang budget sa mga customer nga luyagid maka-experience ang classy and unforgettable coffee moment sa DNA-han. Dali na, aton katuan.
Hi friends! Nga friends be, mabala dyan na dugay-dugay. Welcome back, you're still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Mga puso, this morning mangin bisita nato ng isa ka entrepreneur. Subong nga oras ha, istoryahang tasyagi kan pa sa mga United States of America. Kag tukibon, kung nga abala apisar sang pandemya wala ini naguntat, baka tinguha agon mangin kilala ang iya specialty cafe sa Bacolod City. We have with us Miss Clarissa Tad-y. Hi Clarissa, good morning and welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition. May aga.
Hi, good morning Adrian and to all viewers of Early Edition.
Clarissa, this I wanted to know about. What inspired you to come up with a place nga inspired sa all-time favorite sitcom nga Friends?
Actually, it's always been a passion of ours to put up unique and beautifully designed accommodations. So since Friends is one of our favorite shows, so we decided this time why not put up muna siyang themed private resort.
New York feel, ang ambiance. Ano ka uti ang pagpatukod given nga may pool, may kwarto, kag may cafe place pa all in one?
Sa akong nga part, hindi gid siya masyado nga doon nabudlayan kami kay tungod I moved to New York when I was 16, so medyo familiar na ko bala sa scenery. And timing man kay ang setting sang Friends nga sitcom is in New York. So timing gid nag-match gid sila. Also sa cafe naman, kay sa other namon nga mga branches may cafe naman. So gin-incorporate ko lang siya. So medyo hindi man siya budlay on my part.
Are, sigurado gid ko, ma-hands up na ko daan. For sure, ang target mo ang mga makarelate naton yung mga kapuso sa Friends nga medyo may edad na, di ba la?
Not necessarily, because like sa akon, I'm in my 30s and I love the show and I know younger people nga nanamian man. We decided to put up this place kay para bala ang mga nanamian sa show, they will feel nostalgic. And you know, when you reminisce good memories, it makes you happy. And for me, watching ang Friends show makes you happy.
Ari Clarissa, how about ang ato mga kapuso nga millennials? How do you inspire them nga bisitahon ang imo nga lugar nga, well, this place is a good hangout place, kaupod ang imo mga friends?
The place is aesthetically very Instagrammable. And you know, millennials, they like to post pictures on social media of their experiences, to share it to friends. So this is a perfect place to do that. And besides the Instagrammable place, we have many amenities here. May ara kami pool table, you know, they could do billiards. And may ara kami sang dart tables and other may mga play cards kami and other items na they could use, you know, for entertainment. We have KTV, may Wi-Fi.
This one, medyo seryoso kong pamangkot, ano kabudlayang sitwasyon sa makaangay mga negosyante subong nga may pandemya?
You know, that's a very good question, Gid, because during the pandemic, I learned nga, you know, you can't predict things. Anything could happen. And you have to learn to adapt to change and evolve. And you know, tourism was down, Gid, during you know, the pandemic, especially some start, Gid. And you have to do something para ma-continue ang business because you have to think of your staffs, you know, they have to continue working for their families. Nag-decide kami nga mag-put up sang pool kay tungod, you know, ang mga locals, yeah, they can do staycation, it's allowed. Ang pool nakabulig sa business.
Kay ikaw, ara ka sa US also working. Din ka dira nag-aobra, and how do you micromanage things diri sa Bacolod City? Aguti, syempre, hindi mapabayaan ang imong negosyo.
Hindi na ko tani gusto magbalik di ani because it's not easy to manage the business when you're far away. But then, my husband and I, we've been apart physically because of pandemic. It's hard for me to travel back and forth, which we used to do. I have to adjust lang, like ang akong body clock is sulit. bugtaw ko diya kung gabi kay tungod sa Pilipinas aga, so I have to manage virtually. Managing did some business ang ako na pina-focusan subong dito.
Clarissa, what is your message sa mga luyang magnegosyo and invest in their localities? Kaakay mo, ara na sa abroad, pero ang kwarta, gina-invest gyapon diri sa Bacolod.
In my experience, you have to really work hard first because you need to have a capital to start a business. Unless, someone hands it to you, like your parents or other people. But on my part, I really worked hard so that I can have capital to start the business. Also, along the way, you will experience sometimes challenges or some, failures also. But don't let that pull you down, or don't let the criticisms of others and the failures to discourage you. You just have to do it again, and all this learnings will make you better. And pursue your passion. Do what you love. Do it with passion.
Mga sa bottom line of our conversation this morning, mga Pinasahi nga cafe, concept cafe, so kung kailanaan, amo ini ang nagapatok hindi lang sa mga pamatanon, kundi people of all ages. Galing pamangkot ni Clarissa at the same time ay a challenge sa mga gusto magnegosyo. May konsepto kabala nga Pinasahi, nami na bala, kag makarelate ang kadamaan, ati bugtaw na tinguhaan, nga matigayon ang imuhandom. Clarissa, thank you for being part of our program. See you around. God bless you. Bye.
Thank you so much, Adrian, for inviting me, and GMA Early Edition. Thank you again.
Dinala ka mo ha dong switch channels. Padayon lang magtutok mga kapuso kay ang Kapuso Star nga beauty queen na artista pa ang makaupunta na sa best sa pagbalik sa inyong paborito nga programa kun aga. Diri lang sa GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.